Hi, my name is Azalea Rivet and I'm an artist. I paint because it's my happy place. To never give up. I was going through some difficult times as a teenager. I was in foster care. And school was my escape from the troubles I was having at home. And art and PE were my favorite classes. I made straight A's in there. And Miss Dickerson was my first day in class. Miss Dickerson was drawing a unicorn. And I loved it so much she actually gave it to me. Mostly acrylic, but I do work in oil and I do work in watercolor. It's hard to do it full time because people have to really like your work to buy it. Something really has to catch their eye, they really have to enjoy it or can't live without it kind of thing. My favorite piece in here, I have two. My Morning Glory actually was in the first Art After Dark I did, and it got a lot of attention. Everybody absolutely loved it and said that it looked so real. Never give up. Try everything. Try every color, try every medium. Just do it. Don't say, oh, one day I will. Just get out there and do it. Because it's a culture that goes back thousands and thousands of years, and it's starting to die, you know. Less and less kids are taking interest in art, and they need that outlet. They need something in their lives that's not just all about schoolwork and books. They need to have fun, and art can be fun.